Hey tech lover, welcome back to our channel. The wait is over. iOS 18 is finally here, and today I'm going to show you how to update your iPhone and unlock all the amazing new features. Whether you are excited for the sleek design, improved battery life, or powerful new tools, you will want to get iOS 18 as soon as possible. So grab your iPhone and let's get started with the update. Number first, check device compatibility. Go to the settings. To know the compatibility of your phone, go to the settings, scroll down, and here is general, and you have to click on software update. Before you start, make sure your device is compatible with iOS 18. Usually Apple supports iPhone from the latest models up to about 5 or 6 years old. You can check Apple's official websites or go into your iPhone settings. Okay, and number second is check available storage. Update to iOS 18 requires some free storage space. So before you hit that update button, check your available storage. You can do this by heading to settings, then general. If you're running low and deleting unseen apps or offloading some data to iCloud, here you will see that how much battery, how much space you have in your phone, and is there enough space to install iOS 18. And the third one is connect to Wi-Fi and charge your phone. Next, make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network and your phone is plugged in or fully charged. iOS updates can take some time, and so definitely don't want your phone dying in the middle of it. So finally we go to start the update. Now let's get to the good part. To update to iOS 18, head to settings, scroll down to general. Okay, scroll down, and here you will see a general. You have to click on that, click on general, and here is software update. Okay, wait for a moment. As you can see, here is toggle pop up with upgrade to iOS 18. You have to click on that and then click on update now. You have to put your phone password here, your phone passcode here, and here are terms and conditions. You have to read all the terms and conditions carefully and follow the on-screen prompts, and you are good to go. The update can take anywhere from 20 minutes to over an hour depending on your internet speed and size of the update. Okay, the update can take anywhere from 20 minutes to over an hour depending on your internet speed and size the update. So you have to wait for the moments. As you can see, your updatation has started. So calm down and wait for the updatation. Okay, it can take 20 minutes or an hour, and it is being updated. So it has been done. Congratulations, you have installed your iOS 18. It was most awaited thing by the iPhone users. So click on that. Once the update is done, your iPhone will restart with all new features of iOS 18. Explore the new tools and improvements. If you want a breakdown of what's new in iOS 18, stay tuned for my upcoming videos where I will walk you through the top features of iPhone iOS 18.